Students, see page number all of you 58. I am reading this paragraph. Rebellion in the countryside. Rebellion means opposition, revolt, resistance in the countryside. Countryside means in the villages. Countryside means village. Now try to understand. From the cities, the movement started with the middle class participation in the cities. So from the cities, the non-cooperation movement spread to the countryside. It reached in the countryside also, towards the villages also. It drew into its fold the struggles of peasants and tribals. It drew into its fold. I am reading this paragraph. So try to understand. It drew into its fold means joined, involved. Where? Struggles of peasants and tribals involved, joined, they involve and they join their struggle in non-cooperation movement. Means they supported to the non-cooperation movement also, which were developing. Now I am reading this paragraph. Which were developing in different parts of India in the years after the war. So many struggles of peasants and struggles of tribals after the wars in India. There were we can say which were developed in different parts. So all these struggles, peasants and farmers and tribal peasants involved in the non-cooperation movement. Means people, farmers as well as the tribals, both of them, they joined in Awadh. I am reading this paragraph. Try to understand. Awadh, underline Awadh. Awadh, it is a region, name of the region. Now at present, in the modern state means in our country at present, after the independence, this is a region part of Uttar Pradesh. And before independence, it was known as a United Provinces. It was an important part, important region controlled by the British. In Awadh, so in this region, peasants were led by Baba Ramchandra. Underline Baba Ramchandra. Who was he? He was a sannyasi. He was one of the sannyasi person, sannyasi man. In Awadh, peasant struggle movement, which was led and carried by under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra, a sannyasi who had earlier been to Fiji. Underline Fiji. Fiji means, that is, you know, all of you, name of country which is located in South Pacific. You can see you can find out the location with the help of Google. Fiji means he had earlier been we can say the labor. He worked as a laborer, we can say. And which type of laborer? Endangered, underline. Endangered means contract based laborer. He was assigned by the company Britishers to work in Fiji. So he started movement, peasants movement, where in Awadh. The movement here was against talukdars and landlords who demanded from peasants exorbitantly, underline, exorbitantly means excessive, too much. He started movement in Awadh, peasants movement against the talukdars and landlords who demanded more and higher rents from the peasants. A variety of other cess, underline cess. Cess means taxes, and collected. Talukdars and landlords, they wanted to collect more higher rents as well as the taxes also from the peasants. Peasants had to do beggar. Now here beggar, you can see the meaning of beggar here. It means labor that villagers were forced to contribute without any payment. One of the method system in that villagers were forced to contribute without any payment, means they had to work for the landlords as well as for their, we can say, the owners without any payment forcefully. So such type of method was known as the beggar. Come to the point. Now students, try to understand. Now, and work at landlords farms, means farmers, they had to work without any payment. Where? At the landlords farms without any payment. As the tenants, they had to know security for tenure. Tenure means possessing whatever they had land. So about their own field and land, tenants, they did not have any security. Being regularly evicted. Evicted, underline. Evicted means moved away, moved out. Now they didn't have any security, as well as we can say they had to move. Always they have to move. They have to change their places, or we can say their whatever they had lands or fields. No security about it, and they could acquire no right over the leased land. Whatever, okay, they had a leased land. What means leased? Lease means by long-term contract. The land which was obtained by contract, leased land, and about that no right, no security. The peasant movement demanded reduction of revenue. So this movement, they demanded to reduce revenue, abolition of beggar. They wanted to stop, reduce, cancel one of, we can say, such a bad tradition, beggar, and social boycott of oppressive landlords, as well as the movement, peasant movement, which was started to oppose, socially oppose to the oppressive landlords. In many places, Nai Dhobi Bandhs were organized. Underline, Nai Dhobi Bandhs. Bandh means totally, okay, we can say the strike, can stop. Nai and Dhobi, their whatever their activities and works, totally which were stopped. Okay, that is one of the, that is also a type of a method to boycott, were organized by panchayats, by the panchayat. Bandhs were organized by the panchayat, village panchayat, to deprive landlords. Deprive means take away. To deprive landlords of the services of even barbers and washermen. So not to provide their services. Their services means barber services as well as the washerman services. Not to provide So Nai, Dhobi, Bandhs were organized. Now students, listen carefully. Try to understand. In June 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru began going around the villages in Awadh. Now Jawaharlal Nehru, he started to travel. Going around means visit. He started to travel to visit the villages in Awadh region. Why? Talking to the villagers, to talk with the villagers, to listen, okay, whatever their problems, complaints, and trying to understand their grievances, their whatever their complaints. Grievances means here we can say that their complaints, to know, to understand their problems. By October, the Awadh Kisan Sabha was set up, headed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Baba Ramchandra, and few others. Underline Awadh Kisan Sabha, which was started by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Baba Ramchandra, and other leaders. Within a month, over 300 branches had been set up in the villages around the region. Now branches were set up, started. Over the 300 branches. We can say the response. So when the non-cooperation movement began the following year, the effort of the Congress was to integrate the Awadh peasant struggle into the wider struggle. Now, by the Congress. The effort of the Congress means Congress leaders. Now they were trying to integrate, to involve Awadh peasant struggle into non-cooperation movement, to make the wider struggle. The peasant movement, however, developed in forms that the Congress leadership was unhappy with. But the the peasant movement, which was we can say the following another way. Peasant struggle into the wider, we can say the developing forms means which was following another way. So such ways, whatever they were following the ways, Congress leaders, they didn't like, so they were unhappy with the peasants' activities. As the movement spread in 1921, the houses of talukdars and the merchants were attacked. These were the activities. So therefore, they adopted peasants' violence activity. Talukdars and the merchants were attacked. Bazaars were looted. And grain hordes means go down, were taken over. In many places, local leaders told peasants, local leaders in Awadh, they told to peasants that Gandhiji had declared that no taxes were to be paid. Now local leaders in Awadh, they told to the people, peasants, Gandhiji already declared no need to pay taxes to the, we can say the talukdar and landlords, to the Britishers. No taxes were to be paid and land was to be redistributed among the poor. Now land that was redistributed means distribution among the poor people, among the landless peasants will be started. The Mahatma Gandhi ji said like this. The name of the Mahatma was being invoked to sanction all action and aspirations, interest. Mahatma Gandhi ji, name of Mahatma Gandhi ji, which was used by the peasants, by the people, to sanction, to grant. We can say the peasants, they were following whatever the ways, etc., as well as they join in the movement because of their own interest. They wanted to reduce rent as well as the redistribution of land, so many. And they wanted to stop beggar, this one of the bad system also. So with the help of Mahatma Gandhiji's, they wanted to get all this one, whatever their aspirations, whatever their actions, sanctioned by the under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhiji. They joined, they helped to the non-cooperation movement. Now students, remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.